Okay, guys, I'm going to go to market on pound JPY, looking at what I've just done for the guys in the squad. Now, it is a 15-minute chart that I'm looking at this moment in time. So I'm kind of looking for a break in and around this area here. If I drop it down onto a 5-minute chart, and kind of go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The cluster point is there, which it's coming into right now. Now, I'm only going to be going for about 9 pips because that's what my sheet was telling me to do. Let me just drop that in. So it's gone into market now. Okay. So all I'm doing is looking to get up to here. Now, I don't have to go mental with this because it's all I've got running, and I've already been into market this morning and done quite well. Now, let me kind of explain what it is that I'm doing and why I've done it. Well, first of all, I was asked to do it for the guys in the squad. So let me just switch this over and take it into bulls and bears, because I've just done the markup for it, which is here. Told them what I'm doing, why I'm doing it. Go into the updates, and then you've got this sheet here. Now this controls everything that I'm doing. So here we are. I've got a conflict here because my red light, green light is telling me it's selling. The main direction is selling, but over the course of the next hour, it appears to be buying. So what I'm going to do at that point is I'm going to take a low TP of 9 pips, get in, get out, and then stage it backwards and see if I can still get into it if it goes against me. But there is a swing point I need to be very aware of, and if it goes beyond that, then I've got a real problem. But in the moment, I'm just looking at an upper target of that, and I'm going to try and get extra orders going backwards. Hope that kind of makes sense. Okay, so that's what I'm doing with this. So what I'm going to do is, you can see the swing points. Now, if I drop this out to 15 minutes, you can see it's there. There's the cluster. Okay, so I need to be very aware of this. So my last point of entry is going to be that dotted line. So from there to there, I'm going to average in, and I'm still going to come out in and around this top area up here. So that's why I'm doing it. And I'm doing it just to back up what I've told the guys. Okay, so let's play this out, and we'll see how, well, let's see if we're right. Okay, guys, that's that job done. It was a scalp. So the first thing I'll do is just get in, make certain my tickets are off. I scalped it for 9 pips. It's gone up to the top of here, which it could push up to there, but I'm going against the grain, so I've got to be really careful here. And there you go. There's your 45 quid. Easy, easy process to do. And the trick is not be greedy. And as you can see, it's stalling in and around here now. So pull this back. There's the tails coming in. I was right to pull it out around this area. Okay. So when it comes to trading, your target is incredibly important. If you overswing at this, you're finished before you start, because the market will only give you so much. And if it's not willing to give it to you, you're just playing pie in the sky. Talking of things to give, is that my coffee?
It is.
Oh, fantastic. Because we all know Scruffy likes a coffee. And we do. And he does. He does. Doesn't like Popeye much because he's a fucking shit. And I'll be honest with you, this weekend he's been a proper knobhead. Do you want to play with this?
No, I don't. I want to take it off you.
No, I like it. Anyway, just to case in point before I sign off, I was bang on to pull it out. The reason I stage backwards, again, it's to do with targeting. It's with enhancing the target without making the market push too hard. It also reduces exposure and increases the upside. So there's many ways to trade. Now, I've done this a long time, so yes, I probably make it look easy, because to me it is easy. But then again, whatever your job is, if you've done it for 20 years, I'm pretty sure you find it easy as well. So there we go. So there we are. That was just to show a bit of consistency and also to back up something that I tell the guys before I go to market. And that's the key thing. Everything I do is in the moment. I don't do rollback charts, and I tell them what I'm doing before I do it. I ain't got a time machine, guys. I've just got experience. So as always, trade well, keep your risk managed, but as always, do what you love, and the money will follow. See you all in the next one.